How's it going, guys? Hope y'all are doing well. So this is it. This is the 2,000 mile update to the videos I did previously. Lacquer thinner in my gas tank, testing the Scotty Kilmer method of cleaning catalytic converters. I had a P0420 code in this Pontiac Grand Prix. I did 2 videos on it. Strongly suggest you go watch those because there's kind of information in those, the methods I used and whatnot, and the procedure. That's not going to be in this video. But that being said, this is the update. So in the first video I did the procedure. The check engine light didn't go off. I cleared the code, but it came back. Probably shouldn't have cleared the code. Guys, you probably don't really need to clear the code. Just let it run, let it do its thing. Anyway, so I concluded that video saying it didn't work, right? And I drove 200 or 300 miles beyond that point, just, you know, kept driving the car, and the light actually went off on its own. So I drove it a little bit more to let the diagnostics go through and determine whether the car would actually pass inspection or not. When I got to the point where it would actually pass inspection, I made a second video. That was the update to that first video. And yeah, anyway, in that video I said that I would do an update. This is that update now. I told you I'd let you know if the check engine light came back on or if it went, you know, 1,000 miles, I think I said in the video, but we went ahead and went a few extra miles. So it's been 2,000 miles, give or take, since actually putting the lacquer thinner in the car. And well, the check engine light is off. The car's running here. Check engine light is still off. I'll give you the mileage so that you can check that against the previous videos there. So we're at 2,000, or I'm sorry, 271,000. What is that? 605. All right, so there's that. All right, we're also going to plug the scan tool up. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and we'll check the diagnostics and see what that's looking like. All right, just to cover all the bases, right? So initially when I did this test, I didn't think it was gonna work. I mean, I didn't really have any expectations. I didn't think it was gonna work, but I figured I'd try it. I was gonna do there was another method in order in the line that I was gonna use, but I ended up having to. All right, so check this out, guys. This is the, all right, so Cat is right here. You see it's got the green check. She's still good. It would be inspected. At this point, it could be inspected. This is the evap, is all that is, and I've had issues with that since I've had the car. All right, so what does this mean? Does it work? I mean, it's hard to say it doesn't. The code went out, and it stayed out for long enough to get the car inspected, and now we're a couple thousand miles on into this thing, and the code is still out. Car's running great. Now there's some concerns. People brought up concerns. I also understand that as far as the damage this could do to the fuel system. I don't really have answers for that. If anybody has actually had damage done to their fuel system by using this method, I would love to hear about it. You know, my car's fine from what I can tell. It's running good, you know, don't have any issues. The evap code is the only, well, it's not code, but the evap diagnostic hasn't cleared yet. The reason that hasn't cleared yet, I don't know, but that's been like that since the beginning of since I've had the car. Maybe I should put some AT205 reseal on the gas cap and see if that helps, right? But seriously, I don't really know. I don't know if it could damage the fuel system or not. I suppose, you know, it's lacquer thinner, so if you think about it. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is just my experience. definitely go check those other 2 videos out. There's a lot more, like I said, there's a lot more little details and things that I would like to, you know, this isn't about telling you what I did or how I did it. That's what those videos are basically for. I'm not going to suggest that anybody do it. I don't suggest anybody do anything. You have to make up your mind. I'm a firm believer in that. I don't give mechanical advice on the channel here. I don't do it. Yeah, it is what it is. So, you know, 2,000 miles on, check engine light's still off. So kind of looks like a success, to be honest, guys. So, you know, Scotty Kilmer, maybe he's on to something with that. Also, I know that the method's probably been around for a long time, but I give credit where credit is due, and where I heard the method from is from Scotty Kilmer. So that's why I give him that credit. But yeah, that's what it is, guys. So I'm gonna go on to making different videos now. I'm done with this topic for, you know, a while. If the check engine light comes back on, I'll let you know in the comments. I appreciate you watching. I would love to hear from you, your experiences with the lacquer thinner in the gas tank. Like I said, in those previous videos, I lay out the exact method that I use. It is basically as close to what Scotty Kilmer recommended as you can possibly get. It's getting really hot out here. I don't have the AC on because I'm doing this video, and that's another thing I gotta fix. AC only works on high. Probably wouldn't be able to hear what I'm saying. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. As always,